Hello, let me introduce the TD400 tubular motor and its TUYA Smart app. First, we power on the motor. Find the TUYA Smart app and click it. Click plus. Find small home and swipe down to find curtain Wi-Fi. Click next. Click confirm the indicator is blinking in the app first. Select blink quickly and motor is networking. Wait a moment while the motor is paired with the app. Connected successfully, and then click Done. The stroke of the motor has been set in advance, so that the app can control the motor. Click Open, the curtain will open. Click Pause to stop the motor. Click Close to close the curtain. In addition, we can also drag the simulation icon of the curtain to control the opening and closing effect of the curtain. Click Set to set the forward and reverse directions of the motor. Set the travel point of the motor. Click Clear Limit. Click up until it reaches the desired position. Click Set Upper Limit. Then, click Down continuously until it reaches the desired position. And click Set Lower Limit. The upper limit and lower limit are set successfully, and the motor stroke has been customized. Click the icon in the upper right corner to set the motor information. At the bottom of the interface, we can click Remove Device to unbind the motor from the app.